Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Zoom with Facebook account. It's super quick and easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, open up your Zoom application on your mobile device. You can also open up the Zoom website on a web browser. Once you are in the home page, tap on the Sign In button located at the bottom or the top right corner. Inside the Sign In menu, you will see a variety of sign-in options. Simply go to the bottom and choose Sign In or Continue with Facebook. Click on the Continue button and make sure to sign in using your Facebook login credentials. Make sure to type in your mobile number or email address followed by your Facebook account's password. Now tap on Login, and then if you have turned on two-step verification, go ahead and complete that. Now your profile will be found. Tap on Save or Not Now. Allow Zoom to access your name and profile picture and your email address from your Facebook account by tapping Continue. And right after you do that, you will be able to sign into Zoom with Facebook. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, and comment down below if you have any questions or issues you want me to address. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.